Hello, today you're looking at a Kalamazoo American-made horizontal bandsaw brought to you by Lanco. Model number on this unit, H9AW, with a serial number of K21095. It does come with extra blades, as you see there on the left. Overall dimensions, 71 inches long by 51 inches wide by 40 inches high. It does have a 2 horsepower motor. And as you can see, it is in good working condition. It is wired for 480 volts. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.